This is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and today I am here with a set of the Sephia earbuds, which I'm going to do a fake unboxing for you because I've already tried them out and I'm going to let you know what I thought of them. But let's unbox them so you know what to expect when you get them. Ooh, look at that. This is a pretty fancy package for what these earbuds cost. So it comes with a carrying case, which is also always nice, a tremendous number of replacement earbuds for all different sizes and shapes of ears, so you know you're going to get a comfortable fit. The earbuds themselves, the whole thing, I'd like to show you, is this cool braided wire. I thought that was just super neat looking. Now, in terms of using them, there's no noise cancellation, but these earbuds are designed to kind of insulate you from the exterior noise, and they really did a nice job. The ambient noise in the room kind of gets muffled out, and they really sound good. They produced a reasonable amount of bass for earbuds. I was really pleased with that. They were excellent. I really liked using them.